Here's an AutoCAD tip for you. Let's say that you've crashed AutoCAD and now you want to recover the drawing and its contents. So let's say you crashed AutoCAD, and did you lose any work? What do you do next? Can you find the autosave file? And if you don't know what the autosave file is, just stay tuned and we'll go through that detail for beginners. But for the experts, you just want an answer quickly. So for experts, you're just going to use the Drawing Recovery Manager. And in there, you'll find the drawing file, the backup file, and the autosave file, if it exists. And the autosave file is going to be in the temporary folder. Now, that temporary folder is in a system variable called the save file path, and by default it's into the Windows temp folder. Drawing Recovery is going to give you a little announcement here that says that the program is terminated unexpectedly, and this is what you can do. Use Drawing Recovery Manager to recover what you may have lost. So after you crash, you'll have a new session of AutoCAD because you'll restart that, and it'll usually come up automatically with the Drawing Recovery Manager, but we'll click on the application menu here to go find it under Drawing Utilities, and then this little scroll bar here, open the Drawing Recovery Manager, and there it is. The drawing file that I had previously had open was this DWG file here. The autosave file is here, and if you click on it, then you'll see the details. It shows you the file name with the SV $ file extension and the location, which is in the Windows temp path. So what you can do is just right click on the autosave file, click on open, and this is the state of the drawing just before I crashed. Now if you want to compare that to the original, then just go to the DWG file here, right click and open, and then you'll see that this is the state of the drawing file before that. Now actually I had saved this previously, so let me show you what it really looked like when I did the save. So it just had one line of text here. And by the way, the answer to this question, the backup file, it's in the same location as the drawing file. So this just happens to be in the documents folder. So the DWG and the BAK file, they reside in the same folder. The autosave file, that's different. That's in the Windows temp folder. And when you open it up, you can see it copies it to the same folder as the drawing file, and it also appends a DWG file extension on the end of that. So it keeps the SV$ in there, but also appends .dwg. So that's how you can recover a drawing file using the autosave. Now you want to just compare the two, and then what you'd like to do in the end is just save as this autosave file and then overwrite your original so you can just continue to work in the same drawing.